This could be an all-out BA attack, actually. Oh, no. Okay. I'm RPF'd, Phil. Let's give them something to think about.
Airborne! Awaiting instructions!
Mr. Lushun. Let's see.
Engine boost deactivated.
Golden line somewhere.
Airborne!
Roger.
Awaiting instructions.
Okay. 2 torpedoes on these Schlieffen.
We'll finish him for you. Wait a second.
Enemy destroyer sighted. Engine boost activated.
Oh, I think I might have him here.
Ship is on fire.
Nice. I like it.
Shimmer Case is behind this island, just behind me.
Problem solved, sir.
Lushun has radars.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship. Waiting instructions.
Watch it, Jinan. This island that's in the middle of the map. There's a DD behind it.
There's a Moskva.
Salem's just eating a top, guys. We're flooding.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Nice torps, Kren. Went too short. Too bad. That was nice salvo. Going straight for the sailor.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target. Engine boost.
Okay, is it easy with me, guys? Eyes open. There he is.
Airborne. Our victory is in sight.
Sailor is coming around the corner.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Our team has taken the lead. Our team has taken the lead.
Don't chase them, guys, please.
Yeah, defend, gents. Defend. But then again, we could probably take the sea cap. There's only a very wounded Salem.
Going to be with my own.
Engine
Yeah,
boost
we'll
Not a
activated.
full health golden lion. And a moss climb.
Attention, reporting the target position. Roger.
What's that from Moscow
Well
at
done.
sea?
Okay, my shack's got you covered. Well done.
Yeah, Moscow is aiming for Salem.
Fact.
Ouch, 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 take that. Another one coming. Wait
Yeah.
for it. Wait for it. There we go. Catch.
Yeah, it's gonna ram. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, but not enough. We got 1 minute to go.
I have 100,000 damage.
That's a nice one.
Very nice, guys. Very, very nice.
I am still alive.